Good afternoon, Kevin. Lit! Sunday, November 30th, 2025. Bombay Beach on the shore of the Salton Sea. Check this out. Yesterday, we completed the boat dock. I was so exhausted, I didn't have time to edit this footage or post this introduction. I have my boat tied up right there. I was going to take it out tonight, but I'm still worn out from yesterday. So tomorrow on Monday, though, I'm going to take my boat out. It's going to be a nice sunset tonight, so I will be filming that. But yeah, the boat dock here in Bombay Beach is complete. And the most important thing I did today, tie my boat up. Let's take a look around the dock. And then after I show you around, I'm going to show you some footage from yesterday of the construction, the grand opening ceremony, and more. Avast, matey. Climb aboard the dock. Check that out. The AS Salton, not SS, it's not a steamship, it's an aluminum ship. Salton is docked at the dock. Better than its old place out there at that pole on the water. My art installation lit, which lights up at night. But yeah, check out my boat. Check out this dock. Got lights. It's all lit up at night. Another calm afternoon and hopefully evening here on the Salton Sea. Yeah. Thanks to everybody that helped with this effort. Fucking amazing. And with the way these clouds look, we're going to get a fucking lit sunset. We've all had a look around the dock. I want to show you some footage from yesterday.
I was free, but unfortunately couldn't even water ski at Salton Sea, Salton Sea. Wish that I could water ski at Salton Sea. Met a doll who said definitely you should learn to water ski at Salton Sea, Salton Sea. I'll teach you to water ski.
Right, look at this. Woo-wee. Hell yeah. It's getting there. We got to put they're getting the final planks on the end piece. And yeah, the water's not exactly deep here, but that's the Salton Sea. Look at that. And then once we're done with this, I'm going to start putting the lights.
Hey Kev, next we'll build a lighthouse. How's that sound?
Yeah, that would be awesome. Yeah, let me go grab some. Yeah, and I got some bigger boxes. If there's not enough there, I got more. Is there a lot in there? Okay, good. Hell yeah. Woo! Check this out. We're almost there. And then I'll be putting the lights on.
Still tip socks.
Keep cheating.
Yep.
Let's see how close it is, because we're close. We only need a lot more in there.
What's your foot?
Saturday, 29th, right? Yeah, 29th of November. The dock is complete. Hell yeah. No, I will be lit soon. And the dock will be lit once it gets a little darker and the solar lights come on. I am so tired. It's been a long day, but let's take a look at the dock up close. All right, let's walk down the dock. And he walked on down the dock, not the hall. Look at this. This is fucking surreal. Yeah. We're on top of the Salton Sea coming through. Hell yeah. Corinne, Corvan down on the dock. Johnny boy. A different Johnny, not the southern Johnny boy.
Right.
Uwe. We need to plant some. Thanks, Uwe. Woo, look at that. And I'm too tired to drag it right now, but tomorrow I'm going to drag my boat over. And imagine this. I'm going to tie it up to the dock. For the first time in almost a year, I'll be able to get on my boat from the dock and not trudge through the mud. Take my boat out like a person would do on a normal lake. Look at this. Avast! Man, yeah, fucking awesome, dude. I mean, you're always a pirate. This is like next level. Hell yeah, and they're filming a documentary here. Hell yeah.
Like I said, you know the other pirate, Mike, that you see daily.
Yeah, yeah, and this one, you're like his brother or cousin or,
Well, you
or
know
something.
What? The other one is kind of the other one is more lenient and a little bit more.
Yeah, yeah.
This one, he don't fuck around.
Oh yeah. Nope. There we go. Woo! Oh! Almost lost my flip-flop.
Look at that.
Hell yeah, and pretty soon the lights will come on. Look at this though. We're out. We're on top of the world. Woo! Yeah, the pole's a little on the high side, but I'm still able to do Captain Morgan pose. It's not comfy though. Honestly, it's comfy putting one leg up, but when it's more level. But here we are at the end of the dock. When it gets a little darker, these lights will come on and the lights down below. Hell yeah. Look at this. This is called the Belt of Venus and the Earth Shadow, this band of maroons and pinks and blues. Check it out. Get a little bit darker. Yeah, those will come on and stay on, and these will come on. Hell yeah. This dock is lit. Woo! Now we got to rinse. I stepped in that mud. There we go.
Kevin, stay.
Yeah. Oh, I'm.
Gotta get that shot of you lit on the
Hey,
dock.
Kevin.
I am lit. Yeah,
Guess what?
I'm lit.
You're lit.
Woo! Hell yeah! Hell yeah!
You're on the wrong side.
Hey, I need to get lit.
Skinny side.
Skinny side.
Watch out, this dock is lit. It's lit. Like Kevin, lit. The dock is lit. Hell yeah. Woo! Yeah. Oh yeah, you get you two. Get you all lit. Are you lit? Nope, not yet. Not yet. Here, let me hold it. Hold a second. Here, let me guide it. Oh, now you're lit. Woo. Yeah, it is lit. Hell yeah, lit. Woo. Yeah. Hell yeah. Boom. Hell yeah, Southern boy.
That's awesome.
So awesome, man. Woo. I like how some of them are different colors too. Look at that. These are some gnarly sparklers though. They're so much brighter and longer lasting.
As it starts to get dimmer, look.
Hey, Kevin.
Yeah. Thanks. That was so awesome.
Somebody said they didn't burn, but
Take all the leftovers. Just take them in with us.